Well, at this point, our reporters who worked yesterday during the day and the evening reached out to Wayne County, and the only message they received was a message saying, hey, the phone lines are working, keep calling. And yet we've received a lot of messages, tried calling ourselves, and well, we know that that really wasn't the case in a large part of the day. Now, I'm standing in front of Ernest T. Ford Fieldhouse here in Highland Park. That's because, say, Detroit, one of the community centers, they decided that this is going to be where they will administer their 600 doses of vaccines today and tomorrow. But don't try to get an appointment because there aren't any left, not here and really not at any of the other community centers, because still 3 months in, we're telling the same story. There just aren't enough vaccine doses. There are far more people calling and just not enough staff to handle it. Busy signals and voicemails, but no vaccines.
Oh, I just keep pressing redial and you just keep getting the same message.
One viewer says he called over 700 times from the moment the Canton office opened. Another says she and her husband were both hitting redial on their cell phones, and then they started using a landline as well, calling on 3 phones for 3 hours. They only got a recording.
Just seems like there should be a better way to organize this, and I don't think that it's being done.
The call center for Canton and Plymouth got around 1 million calls for the 1,000 doses they have to administer.
A lot of the people, when they got a vaccination appointment, they were crying.
Mitch Album of Say Detroit made it clear the intention was to make things easier, not harder.
The information flow isn't easy, the access isn't easy, and we wanted to make sure that people who really need this vaccine can get it.
600 doses will be given to seniors in Highland Park. In total, Wayne County has 13,000 doses to divide up and administer. Hospitals and drugstores each have their own appointment systems in place as well, and people in the area are beyond frustrated.
I did get an appointment at Rite Aid, are you ready, in Toledo.
Yeah, people are willing to drive really anywhere at this point in order to get a vaccination appointment. Now, I do need to mention that these 6 community centers where they're intending to vaccinate people specifically from those communities, this does follow the statewide plan of creating more vaccination sites and getting into neighborhoods. Detroit also started vaccinating in some neighborhoods using churches, but the difference is in the city of Detroit, the health department is handling all the phone calls and all the scheduling. Now, once again, we did reach out to Wayne County to find out why they chose to decentralize that process and put all of the weight on these individual senior centers and community centers. We still haven't yet gotten an answer to that. Reporting live, I'm Jennifer Ann Wilson, 7 Action News.